Hello, my name is Akinole Sholademi. I will be giving you short questions time to time on this YouTube channel, and we are starting with Checkpoint April 2018 Paper 1, and I would like you to kindly subscribe. Just click the subscribe button and like our YouTube video. Today we are starting with the Checkpoint April 2018 Paper 1. Now, let's start. Here it is. You have the number one question as this. Here is the rule for these number grids. Add the two top numbers to get the number below. Do you see this? You have 10 plus 15. Already, this is the sample the question give you. Here is the sample. 10 plus 15 gives 25. And when you come here, the question now puts this one like this. The question says you should complete these grids. And you have minus 8, dash, and minus 3. How do you approach this question? The question is saying that when you look at the sample they give us here, all you have to do is to add 10 and 15, which gives us what? 25. But in this place, you can see how it goes. Minus 8 dash, it must give you what? Minus 3. Obviously, what it means is that you have a minus 8, and once you add 5, it's going to give you minus 3. How do we come about that? You are having negative 1, you are having negative 1 in 8 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And now, what are you going to do to it to give you negative 3? Which means you add 1, it cancels this. 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 You add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, I have added 1, I have added 1, I have added 1, I have added 1. You will see that what do you have left? Minus 3. Which means, what are the things that I added to give me minus 3? I added plus 5. And that is why this one is plus 5. The second question. You have to add these two fractions to give you this. What do? You write 1 over 8 plus 3 over 4. Now, what you do first is to find their LCM. You are finding the LCM of 4 and 8. You are finding the LCM of 4 and 8. What goes in 4 and goes in 8? If you like, you can start with the lowest value. 2 in 4, 2. 2 in 8, 4. 2 in 2, 1. 2 in 4, 2. Then 2 in 2, 1. You will see that these are the lowest common multiples, which is 2 times 2 times 2, which is what? 8. That is 8. 8 in 8, 1. 1 times 1, 1. Plus 4 in 8, 2. 2 times 3, 6. And the answer is what? 7 all over 8. And that is how we get 7 over 8 here. Now, I quickly run it through for you to see quickly. Minus 8. What are you going to do to it to give you minus 3? I have shown you. List all this and add all this to remove this. And you are left with what? Minus 3. and that is plus 5. And when you do this, you have the LCM here. This is the LCM. And you have 2 times 2 times 2, and that gives you 8. 8 in 8, you have 1. 1 times 1, 1. 4 in 8, 2. 2 times 3, 6. And that is how you have 7 over 8. Now you can check again for number 2 in the next video. Thank you very much. My name remains Akinolu Sholade. Thank you. Watch for the next video for number 2. Thank you very much.